Alright y'all, we done found another spot to eat at. I never ate here before, so we gotta do a taste test, man. And if they got some bathroom, we're gonna do a inspection on that as well to see how clean or just how nasty they funk ass really is. We about to see what they talking about. All right, y'all, let's go in here and see what's going on, see how the food is tasting, see how the customer service is. All right, how about it, man? What's going on? All right, y'all, we're in the bathroom. It's a one-person bathroom. It's not like Walmart where you go in the bathroom and they got like 6 to 8 stalls. Okay, that's a no-no. That is no-no. For the most part, it looks clean, the sinks and everything. The toilet. What if you have to do the number 2? See that? Straight filth, man. Yeah, they gonna lose 2 points, man. Don't nobody want to sit on your feces and sit on your urine and your pubic hairs. You just gonna leave that down there and walk out with your chest out like you just some clean person. Backside probably be itching now. You so nasty and so dirty. Okay, bitch. Alright, let's go check with the food. They already done lost 2 points. We're gonna see what the food talking about, nasty rascal. Alright, y'all, we're finna see how everything tastes. Let's open this thing up. Like I tell y'all, I love fries. And these are hot in my hand right now. Let's see how they taste. Pretty good. And they're seasoned too. This is a buffalo chicken wrap. We're gonna see how this tastes as well. Like I say, it's not the restaurant most times. It's the people who make your food. You know, if they're coming to work in a bad mood and all grumpy and grouchy and full of bad and negative energy, it can transfer into the food they make for you, and the rest of your day can be in shambles. Let's try it out. Look up, man. The cooker's in a good mood. The cook is in a good mood. This wrap is banging, full of flavor. The wrap is even full of texture. It's full of flavor. It's soft. It's not falling apart. Now, they're gonna remain at an 8. Simply because of the food. Simply because of the food. Food is good, man. Excellent. Dude, get it. Old boy did a great job. If you're coming out of state, if you're coming from another town or city, damn, this rap good. If you're coming from another country, make sure you come to this spot. I don't know how the cooks are earlier or later, but right now, this cook, he did his thing. And it's like 3 to 4 o'clock in the afternoon. This rap is banging, man. The rap itself, oh man, y'all get here. You're gonna have to come during this time though. All right, y'all, we're done doing our little taste test at Skinny's. Man, I ain't gonna lie, man. Out of all the restaurants I've been taste testing so far, man, I'm talking about even at your well-known restaurants, they gonna have to step their game up. Skinny's ain't playing. Man, they did something with that wrap, man. I ain't even talking about the inside of the wrap. I'm talking about the wrap itself. I guess they put some oil on it and put some seasoning on it and kind of grilled it a little bit and wrapped it and grilled it some more as the food. Man, come on, man. That's all I need to say. They snapped. Like I said, they disappointed me with the bathroom, but they made up for it with their food funky bit. They snapped. I ain't gonna lie. They snapped. They snapped. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, they snapped, man. Well, I'm gonna get up with y'all. Let handle business. Yeah, and another thing, y'all. Reason I say get prayed up and stay prayed up is because we don't want to end up like this, man. Standing at the intersection, asking people or begging people for their hard-earned money. It's too much going on out here, man. Especially up here in the metro Atlanta area. I done had like 15 jobs, man, in the last year. I get tired of one and I leave one. The very next day or a couple days later, I'll be at another job, man. So it's really not no excuse. A lot of these people, man, they done got comfortable and content with what they're doing. So it's just like the old saying, you do something long enough, it becomes a habit that is hard to break. So yeah, get and stay prayed up and work on your mindset so we don't end up like that. Let's get to it.